It's 2025, and AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's unlocking brand new ways to earn. What you're about to hear could change how you get paid. Real, repeatable methods that pay daily. I'm going to walk you through 10 AI websites that actually send money, not promises, not hype. Real opportunities you can start using today. Stick with me until the end because number 10 can literally pay you while you sleep. Number 1. Kittl. If you can think of a simple design, you can sell it. Use Kittl to create merch, thumbnails, and quick graphic assets. Then list them on Etsy or Redbubble. People pay for clean, eye-catching designs. One decent tee design can bring in $10 to $50 per sale. You don't need to be an artist. You need one good idea and speed. Kittl speeds you up. Number 2. Mubear. Music isn't just background. It's a product. Generate royalty-free tracks with Mubear and license them for creators, apps, or small businesses. Every download or license can be passive income. Create themed packs, loops for streamers, ambient tracks for videos, and you start seeing small payments stack up every day. Number 3. Copy.ai. Words sell. Use Copy.ai to write blog posts, product descriptions, or ad copy for clients. Businesses always need words, and they'll pay for speed and clarity. Package short packages, 5 product descriptions, 1 landing page. Deliver fast and scale. Number 4. Synthesia. Need videos, but don't want to be on camera. Create AI talking head videos with Synthesia for local businesses, coaches, or course creators. A single explainer video can sell for hundreds. Offer a package, script, AI presenter, subtitles. Deliver on time, get paid fast. Number 5. Kyber. Turn photos into short motion videos. Creators and brands pay for movement. A static image that suddenly moves is attention-grabbing. Use Kyber to create short promos or content hooks, then sell the final clips or a service to social media managers. Halfway point, quick reminder. These first 5 tools are immediate starters. If you want daily tool drops like this and exact step-by-step prompts so you can set them up in under an hour, hit subscribe now. I upload actionable AI money tools every day. Number 6. Opus Clip. If you or someone you know already has long videos, you can repurpose them into dozens of shorts. Clients will pay for that. Use Opus Clip to automate editing, highlight extraction, captions, and punchy cuts. 1 long video turned into 10 shorts becomes 10 discovery chances, and clients pay for that workflow repeatedly. Number 7. HeyGen. Create short explainer clips and ads with HeyGen's AI presenters. Small businesses need short, persuasive content, and they pay well for a good ad that converts. Package 5 short ads for a flat fee and deliver in a day. Number 8. SoundRaw. Generate background music and soundscapes, then sell them on stock sites like Pond5 or Audio Jungle. Niche packs perform best. Think meditation loops, podcast stings, or gaming ambiances. Once uploaded, the small sales accumulate. It's slow at first, but daily. Number 9. Durable AI. Build a 1-page business site for local companies in minutes. Durable automates copy, layout, and quick SEO. Offer site in a day packages to local service providers, plumbers, photographers, restaurants, and charge a setup fee plus small monthly maintenance. Payments come quickly. Number 10. Tascade AI and workflow automation. This is the hidden lever. Businesses pay for organized processes. Use Tascade to build AI-powered workflows, onboarding sequences, client follow-ups, content calendars. Sell the setup as a service. Once a startup or agency uses your workflow, they'll pay monthly for even small improvements. This is the one that generates recurring, almost passive income. Because you create the process once, then scale it across clients. So how do you pick one? Start with what's fastest to implement. If you're good at ideas and speed, start with Kittle and Kyber. If you like systems and recurring income, focus on Tascade and Durable. If you already edit or have access to long-form video, Opus Clip is a goldmine. Here's a simple action plan to get your first payment in 7 days. Pick one tool, set up one listing or offer, and promote it to 5 people or in 5 relevant groups. Don't overcomplicate. Offer something useful, price it fairly, and deliver fast. Quick tip: document every delivery. Screenshots of uploads, invoices, and payment confirmations. That history becomes credibility and repeat business. If this felt useful, subscribe to CashPulse AI. I break down every tool with exact prompts and templates so you can copy them step by step. Tomorrow I'll show you how to build a $100 per day microservice using just one of these tools. Before we go, a final point. AI doesn't remove work. It removes busy work. The people who win are the ones who combine speed, consistency, and a reliable delivery process. Use AI to multiply what you already do. Try one of the tools tonight. Send me a message in the comments telling me which one you picked. I read every single comment, and I'll feature the best results in tomorrow's video. This is CashPulse AI, your daily upgrade to how the world makes money. If you learned something today, subscribe, tap the bell, and share this with one friend who needs an income hack. See you in the next video.